Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So what I'm doing today here quick is I've been thinking about a project that I might do, possibly. Actually, I should say I've been wanting to do for a long time. So we stopped at some people's place because we seen they had this particular vehicle, but they weren't around. So we're going to check there again. But you know, one of on Facebook Marketplace, I think there was another one popped up and pretty cheap and stuff. So I don't want to tell you guys what it is yet. I want to go take a look and we'll see. Anyways, we'll go see. So that's what I'm off to right now. Just going to go for a little rip and see if we can, if I like it, if it's good enough, and all those good things. So that's what we're off to do. We're on our way here. We got Max and Lily and my nephew Sid and his little boy with us today. So we're just stopping here to get some snacks, and then we'll be on our way. We're not. It's not far. It's only just a little over an hour, so not a big deal, but. We'll get some snacks and be on our way. All right, everyone. So we made it here, and I'm just walking up here. I'll show you guys what we. It was super cheap, so it's like even, scrap prices, even if that's how it goes, because it is a little rough. But anyways, you guys ready for this? Dun dun dun. Anyways, there we go. We got ourselves a Minnie Winnie. So I've always thought about making a little hot rod Winnebago. And the Minnie Winnie is the one to do it with, I think. They got a great look to them. So that side was a little baked in the sun. This side looks a little nicer. We'll get a look here. You can see there. So this is a Winnebago Brave is what they call it. So it's actually a nice little unit. It's got the patina and stuff that we can work with. But I'm just a little worried about, it's got some, I don't think you find anything that doesn't in this vintage, right? But it has a little bit of structural damage and stuff, just the roof and stuff. It's all repairable, but anyways, we'll do our best. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this baby fished out of here, get it loaded on our trailer, and we'll see what we can do with this. Kind of looking forward to it, but also kind of a little worried because it's gonna be a lot of work, right? I'm not sure if I'll be able to get. I need another project, right? I got lots of projects, but this one popped up randomly, and like I said, it's at least scrap price type deal, right? So super cheap, almost giveaway. So that's okay. We'll get her fished out of here. Yeah, so we don't really have four-wheel drive, so we're just gonna give it a little bump at the rope. We just have to avoid that tree, and then I think we're golden. So we'll be all right. No, everything's good. Did the wheels look like they're turning, Max? Okay. Yeah. Little B train action. How much did for this?
$20.
Oh yeah. Decent. That wasn't so bad, eh?
Not too bad at all.
No. Yeah, this side looks nice actually. Out of the weather more. There you go. We got her out. It actually was pretty good. And like I said, this side looks pretty good. And my nephew, we latched onto this little old trike too. He wants some couple parts off that. So, but anyways, there it is, all out. I guess we'll get her hoisted up onto the trailer. See if it makes it home in one piece. I know you're like backing out already, but you have to help a little. Yeah.
I'll help you. I don't want to get like typhus.
You can help me with the fun, like staining, and you got to go to the dump once or twice. With
I'll help you take the crap out, but not the typhus.
Yeah, no.
So anyway, we got it loaded. It's up here now.
All right there, folks, about as sketch as it gets, but we got that baby on there. Then the other thing he had here, he said help myself to it, so I think I will, is some of it's crusty, but right here, so underneath some of these top pieces, we got lots of good shiplap boards, and I think that's actually a coincidence. That's probably how I'm gonna redo the inside with some nice lumber. I'll sand it and stain it, whatever I got to do to make it nice. So we'll go ahead and spend some time shoving that all in here and get this baby tied down and get the heck out of here.
Dude, you got your knife?
Did you jam them both at the same time?
I think I got this.
So you got that one?
Yeah, it's less. So, yeah.
All right, everyone. So we got everything loaded up here. It's about max shadiness, about where I like it. So, anyways, I think we're off. Hopefully we can. It's just a teeny bit over an hour to get home, so hopefully we can make it without spreading some of this cargo along the way. But anyways, we're off. Made her back. So we got the old girl unloaded. I did show that a little bit. It's a cool looking, I got a curtain hanging out the window, but it's a cool looking thing. It'll look real done when I get around to mucking with it and actually work on it. But I like it. It's got some patina. It's gonna need a whole ton of work done to it, but I don't think it's anything you can't do. So I'm not gonna restore it as a actual RV. Like I'm not gonna put, you know, the whole RV stuff. I'm not gonna put the tanks and all that stuff. I just want it to be something you can kind of take somewhere and sleep in, and you know, a rat rod looking RV. So the inside's gonna be real tough, you know, just something cozy, and it'll look good. And that's why it was kind of a bonus when we found this. So this stuff here, we unloaded. It's all cedar. So cedar tongue and groove. So there's some kind of rougher looking stuff, and then a bunch of real nice looking stuff. So it'll work good. I'll just get rid of I'll just use what I can, and we got plenty of it. Lots of it there. There's some more inside that unit as well. But so I think I'm going to use that on the interior for the walls and stuff. We'll you know, it's got one nice side. These are all the rough sides. Let's see if I can show you here. Yeah, so there it has. It has a nice side. It's the rough side. It's got the nice side. So we'll sand it all up, make it look good, and you know, maybe it'll smell real nice in there. Smell like a sauna. That's it for this video. You know, just to clarify, this just came up, so we decided better grab it. It was cheap, easy, like super cheap. So I don't even feel bad, to be honest, if I don't use it. But I will do something with it for sure, because I've always wanted a rat rod Minnie Winnie. So, but anyways, thanks for watching. We'll get after this one day, and we'll make something cool with it. Please like and subscribe.